The things I do for you guys. Look, it's pouring down, it's bucketing down. An ideal time to test, well, not only the waterproofness of my camera, but did this seal work on here? Has it stopped leaking? Look at that! Look at that! It's as dry as toast. That sorted that out. Excellent. Now, I'm not going to... Well, I can do, can't I suppose, while I'm out here. It's all pretty wet. When I had a look at this car, this gearbox, the input shaft's a bit loose. Let me go inside and I'll tell you what I think about it. It's been pouring down all morning. And wasn't it nice to see that repair was actually fixed? What a stupid, stupid little thing to cause so much aggravation, leaking, where everybody thinks it's the window seals, it's something else. That car was nice and dry. I'm very, very pleased about that, so I hope other people see that video. So what was I saying about that gearbox shaft? Well, it was a little bit loose, which meant it could do with tensioning up again. That means re-shimming. And I was just thinking about it, that, well, I had a lot of time over the last 3.5 days messing about with that computer, but I was just thinking about it. And in the container, I actually have a fully rebuilt gearbox and a fully rebuilt transfer case. The thing is, I've got now a fully rebuilt engine here. Now you're going to say to yourself, yeah, I know what he's going to do. He wants to pull the gearbox and transfer case out. Yes, I do. Why? Well, I can't show you outside because it's bucketing down, but let me do this with my hands. So say for example, this is the engine, right? Now, if it's in the car and you want to take the gearbox out, which is here, you have to tip the gearbox out and pull it back like this, correct? You know, when you take a Defender gearbox out, you have to take the gear stick off naturally, but the high and low shift is a right pain in the bottom to get out because it hits the seat base. However, in this instance, I don't have to, if I was to take the engine, if I was to drop the gearbox and transfer case out, I can drop it completely down in a vertical plane, quickly put the other gearbox and transfer case on and lift it up into place, bolt it all up and then put the engine in when the clutch is here, because I'm stuck for a clutch, you see. So that means that I could rebuild that engine, that transfer case and gearbox when it's quiet, and I know there isn't much wrong with it, see? You know, it's just a matter of stripping it down, a few bearings, gaskets, whatever it needs, but it's not major at the moment, if you see what I mean. So that's what I'm planning on doing. And then when I sell it to a customer, I can say, because you've seen the videos, I've changed everything. All the running gear has been changed. I've looked at the front axle, I've looked at the back axle. Even though it's got 300 and some thousand kilometers on it, it's all back to year zero. Now, like I say, it's easier to like I say, with the engines like this, to lift the gearbox up. But Defenders are notoriously difficult to, you know, like do one at a time. But I've got all the gear, you see. You know, that makes it nice and easy. So that's just a little quick video of thoughts I've got, the thoughts of me, because it's quietening down now because of winter. So, like I say, the engine's here. I haven't touched it for 2 or 3 days, so you know, we'll see what comes on with that. But I thought it might be an interesting thing to do, to pull the box and everything out, just while it's there and while it's clean as well, while it's easy to do. I've convinced myself of doing that now, isn't it marvellous, eh? Anyway, that was just my thoughts, but wasn't it good news to see about that leaks fixed, and fix both sides too? Nice.